I'm making an eBay listing for this Leatherman Juice S2, and eBay only allows me to upload like 8 photographs, and there's like more than 8 tools on this, and I wanted to give you guys a close-up of how worn or not worn this tool is. I know. Oh, so I just wanted to take the tools out, show you. This tool is really well taken care of. It's in immaculate condition. You have 3 flatheads here in great condition, and you got your flathead. I'm sorry, your Phillips head, and in here there's a keychain loop that you can pull out. I just wanted to show the condition of this tool and throw it up on eBay. Thanks, guys.